Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we learn how to create dual light effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before beginning, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's start. Go to the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer, select Gradient. Right 180 degree in the Angle field. Double-click on the gradient and select red color. Again, from the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer, select Gradient. Right 0 degree in the Angle field. Double-click on the gradient and select blue color. Select both Gradient Fill 1 and Gradient Fill 2. From the blending mode, select Color. Go to the fill and reduce the value to 80. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share.